Dear students, today our precious time will concentrate on a special issue which can be considered as a national or international discipline. And it has, you can say that it is not a national issue, it can be considered as an international issue also. That means we are talking about a topic which is named as human rights. So the question is taken from your prescribed syllabus for the JPSC mains examination, and it has been taken from the section B of your prescribed syllabus of paper 4. That is, it is given here. I have taken this topic from the paper 4 and from the section B. That is, the chapter belongs to public administration and good governance, and the topic is human rights. Topic is human rights. That means in human rights we are going to concentrate our lecture in this topic, human rights. That means we have to deal, although there is the clear mention over there in your syllabus, that is, you have to learn the concept of human rights, Universal Declaration of Human Rights, and not only this, human rights, National Human Rights Commission, State Human Rights Commission, and not only this, the human rights of with terrorism also. So there are numerous topics is given in your syllabus, but the question which has been the applied questions which has been taken from your this segment, what it is and what it requires, it is necessary to know. So very first we will try to go through questions and find out the relevant answer. Okay. So now see please carefully and listen my lecture carefully also. Now question is little bit lengthy, but just try to go through question and try to find the gist of this question. The question is, National Human Rights Commission, that is NHRC, in India can be most effective when its tasks are adequately supported by the other mechanism that ensure the accountability of a government. Okay, this is the first part of a question. That is a statement. In light of the above observation, assess the role of NHRC as an effective complement to the judiciary and other institutions in promoting right standard. This is a question. It means that we have to concentrate on this topic and we will try to find out the relevant answer. So before coming in the main answer of this question, it is necessary to know about the NHRC, that is National Human Rights Commission. Although I will define in your, it is also depicted in your explanation, but just try to listen carefully. That NHRC was formed to protect human rights at the national level, and it was formed in 1993, you know, under the Protection of Human Rights Acts, Human Rights Acts. The commission has 5 members. It is early information which I am giving you. That is, NHRC has a 5 member, including a chairman who is a retired Chief Justice of India, of a judge of Supreme Court. And you know, I think for the better memory, I would like to add over there the Ranganath Mishra. He was the first chairman of NHRC, and I think the present it may be, but some sort of changes may be occur. But Justice Sri A.K. Mishra, I think the present chairman of NHRC. So let's see to find out what the relevant question is and what the answer requires. So just try to see answer of this question. So again the same type of information is mentioned over there. That is, National Human Rights Commission is an independent body. This is the identity of this organization. It is an independent body responsible for the what we say, it is responsible for the safeguard of human rights relating to life, liberty, equality and self-respect of individual, cherished in our constitution as fundamental rights or embodied in the international agreement. This important introduction about NHRC. Okay. So NHRC can review, safeguard, What it does actually, NHRC can review, safeguard and treaties and inquire into violation of human rights and educate people and raise what it raise? It raise awareness on the human rights issue and also visit jails and other institutions controlled by the state government. This is how you may say the main role of NHRC, okay, Human Rights Commission of India. However, due to the absence of mechanism to hold the difficulty, its functioning of NHRC, other support institutions are often reluctant to carry out recommendations of NHRC. I am just explaining all sort of points regarding the need of a question, what actually it says, and the answer is quite related to the question of answer is quite related to my question. So again, listen once. So report from police and delayed when asked to report. Further, as the recommendations are not binding and many institutions do not act in accordance to the recommendation in the absence of accountability mechanism. Okay, so everything has been depicted as the need of a question. That means we have discussed about the NHRC and what are the recommendations, how does it works. NHRC is also wholly dependent upon the government for funding and personnel. This is the information about NHRC. It can be made effective. The question was how it can be made effective and efficient. So it can be made effective only when its independence is guaranteed. This is the main cause. Now, next point is NHRC act as a body is effective itself. Here there are some structural and the statutory limitations which prohibit it from the being truly complementary and complementary to judiciary and other institutions. This was the information regarding the NHRC. Now the question is, if any accessories question or the attached question may come in this examination in this topic, that what suggestions have been made for amending the act for making the role of NHRC more effective. If such question comes related to this topic, then you have to say, to make the NHRC role more effective and efficient, it is necessary to vest it with a power to judge the cause of which question of human rights are involved, and its base should be widened by assisting it by the various other institutions to hold seminars and programs in order to create awareness in the society. And all the recommendations were made by the committee constituted under this act. It is also, you must also mention there, it is also proposed to change the composition by involving 2 members of judiciary and 3 members of non-judiciary field. What we are going to deal? I am going to explain about the what suggestions have been made for the amending the act. I am talking about the NHRC act to make the role of NHRC more effective. So on this way I am going to describe this point. So later again listen, it is also proposed to change the composition of it, involving 2 members of judiciary and 3 members of non-judicial field, including a woman. It should be also given power to appoint the select officer of the choice from the government and the non-government sector. So after knowing this point, these are the suggestions that how to develop, how to strengthen the power of NHRC. So because this question question requires some specific areas, so I only dedicated my answer related to this given topic. Okay, so I think I tried my best to convince you in this regard the need of this question. If you are convinced my explanation, I am sure that very soon you will get the new information regarding that related topic where I will present a new question with its explanation. So if you are regularly watching my channel, just try to see and listen carefully, and I hope that you will appreciate my initiative. So please like my channel and subscribe it and share with your friends. Very soon I am going to meet with a new topic. Till then, goodbye.